Cut off a piece of steel wool and put it into the garden hose. Use pruning shears to push it inside. Connect the hose to the outdoor tap and turn on the water. The pressurized water will push it through the hose, removing dirt and buildup along the way. This will make it work like new again. You will restore full flow in just a few moments. This is a brilliantly simple trick for repairing a garden hose. A crack or hole will disappear in just a few seconds. You don't have to spend money on buying a new hose. You also won't have to cut it and spend money on buying connectors. The next time the hose starts leaking, just use this simple trick. It's constantly used during gardening tasks. Anyone who has a garden can't imagine working in it without access to water. It's the rubber hose that enables us to water the garden. Flowers, vegetables, or the lawn need to be watered regularly. If the hose is leaking, sooner or later you'll think about repairing or replacing it. If you've already tried many things and haven't been able to fix the damage, try the styrofoam trick. A piece of styrofoam will stop the rubber hose from leaking. It's the best way to repair a garden hose. Seal the hole with styrofoam. Use super glue for this. Apply the styrofoam to the place where the hose is leaking and squeeze glue onto it. The glue will melt the piece of styrofoam. Just wait a moment. The glue-styrofoam combination will create a substance that will seal the hole in the hose. Styrofoam with glue is so durable that the rubber hose will continue to serve you for a long time. Gardeners can water their flowers this way. When I learned this trick, I started using it myself. It saves me a lot of time. Take a regular plastic bottle and use a heated tool to make small holes in the bottom. These little openings make a big difference. This simple trick gives even the cheapest bottle a new use. Make a hole in the cap as well, just big enough to fit the end of a garden hose. The bottle is now ready. In the garden, insert the hose so that the tip reaches the very bottom of the bottle. Then, turn on the water. This setup is perfect for watering. Start watering your plants, and you'll immediately see the stream flow like a mini waterfall. It lets you water faster, cover more ground, and skip constant trips to refill a watering can. A simple bottle can really make gardening easier. Got a hole in your garden hose? Before you buy a new one, try this clever repair trick. Cut out the damaged section. Then take a short piece of hose to use as a connector. Insert it into both ends of the hose and wrap the joint tightly with strong tape. This will hold both sections securely together. The water won't leak, and your hose can keep working for a long time without the need to buy a replacement. My neighbor shared this trick with me. Add a bit of dish soap to the hose nozzle and turn on the water. A light foam forms that spreads across the entire car, dissolving dirt without the need for scrubbing. Rinse the car from the roof to the tires, and watch how quickly the dust and mud disappear. Finally, wipe everything down with a microfiber cloth, which will soak up the water and add a nice shine. From now on, washing the car has become incredibly easy. Plumbers don't want you to know this trick. I used a hose in the toilet and fixed the problem. If your toilet keeps clogging and smelling bad, you don't need a plumber. All you need is a regular hose, like the ones used for dishwashers or washing machines. Start by cutting a bottle in half using a utility knife. You only need the top part. Remove the cap and attach the top of the bottle to one end of the hose. It should fit perfectly, as they all use standard thread sizes. Secure the connection with electrical tape, wrapping it tightly a few times. Cut the other end of the hose to about 1 meter in length to make it easier to insert. Now, take your DIY tool to the bathroom. It's great for unclogging and cleaning your pipes. Insert the hose into the toilet and push it through the drain pipe. Once it's in deep, hold the bottle upright and pour in 1 cup of baking soda. This has cleaning and disinfecting properties. Shake the hose a bit to move the powder down. Then pour in 1 cup of vinegar. The reaction with the baking soda will create fizzy foam. This foam cleans the pipes of limescale and buildup and pushes out the stuck grime into the toilet bowl. Watch how it bubbles and reacts at the bottom of the toilet. The chemical reaction helps eliminate the sludge causing the unpleasant odors. This method keeps your pipes in better condition for longer and saves you a plumber's fee. After removing the hose, wait for the mixture to drain completely into the toilet. Finally, flush with water and enjoy never having to pay for a plumber again. Are you also struggling with an ant infestation in your garden or home? This trick will help you enjoy a clean house in just 3 minutes. Take a glass container and pour in half a liter of filtered water. Then, add sugar, which acts as a lure to attract ants. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar to the water. Its sweet smell will effectively attract the insects. The next ingredient is boric acid, which repels ants. Add 1 tablespoon of boric acid to the prepared solution. Now, peel a banana and cut it into smaller pieces. The banana peel has properties that also attract ants. Drop the banana pieces into the glass container with the prepared solution. Mix everything well so that the banana absorbs the liquid. Wait a few minutes. You can now place the soaked banana in areas where you've noticed ants. If you have ants in your garden, leave the banana pieces near the plants. Ants will easily find them, and the boric acid will effectively repel them. You can also place the banana outside the house, on the driveway, or near the doors. This is an effective method that will help you enjoy a home free of ants. I've never gotten rid of ants so quickly. I scared them away simply, and they haven't returned. When ants get too close to your home, garden, or your child's sandbox, you just need to spray a homemade solution. It's 100% effective. If you have ants in the sandbox, this will also deter cats that often use the sandbox as a litter box. Start by preparing a bowl of water. Add a few teaspoons of cinnamon to it. Ants hate the smell of this spice. Then squeeze the juice of a lemon and add it to the cinnamon water. This is another scent ants dislike. The next ingredient is coffee grounds. Add a few teaspoons of them. Coffee grounds are one of the best products for repelling ants. Finally, add a few drops of mild soap or dishwashing liquid. Mix everything and let it sit for a few hours. Then strain the mixture. Pour it into a spray bottle. Now, you just need to spray the areas where you see ants. You can spray the soil around plants, benches, or the sandbox. Also, secure the entrance to the terrace. This method isn't harmful to ants or other insects, but it is effective. The ants will simply relocate to another place. Here's an American trick for ants, and it works fast. If you want to get rid of them from your garden or home, this simple and budget-friendly mixture is all you need. Grab an empty plastic bottle and cut off the bottom to create a shallow container. It shouldn't be too deep. Using a soldering iron or something similar, poke a few small holes around the lower part of the bottle. This step is important, so pay attention. Ants are a common issue, especially in spring and summer. In the garden, they can cause a lot of damage. Now for the key ingredients. Baking soda neutralizes the acids in ants' bodies and disrupts their digestion. Add 5 teaspoons of baking soda into the bottle. Next, the bait. Powdered sugar attracts ants with its strong, sweet scent. Add 5 teaspoons of powdered sugar to the mix. Pour in a little water and stir until it forms a pourable paste. Thanks to the holes, ants will easily find their way in. Place the trap where you see them most often. You can also pour a bit of the mixture next to the bottle. Watch how quickly it draws them in. It's an effective way to get rid of ants for good.